How to draw jaws. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. To begin drawing jaws, we are going to draw the snout. For this, we are going to draw two diagonal lines in the middle of our page that go upwards and come together with a small curved line at the top. Great job! Next we are going to draw the eyes. For this we are going to draw a small line that continues to go downwards from the two lines we just drew, and then we will draw another small line going downwards into the outside of the page a little bit on each side for the outside outline of the eye. Awesome job! Now let's draw the other eye the same way. Then connecting to the inside line that we just drew for each eye, we are going to draw a small colored in black circle for the eyes as well. Looking great so far, learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw two curved lines going downwards around the eyes from the outside line on each eye. Then we are going to draw a straight line going downwards on both sides from those lines that we just finished drawing. Looks good. Now we are going to draw a line just like that on the other side as well. Looking good so far, learn how to draw hub crew. Next we are going to draw a long curved line connecting those two lines together at the bottom. Also, the two sides of this curved line are going to extend outwards just a little bit. Then we are going to draw two small dots for Jaws' nostrils on the snout. Nice job! Now we are going to draw Jaws' mouth. For this, we are going to draw a big open mouth where you could see all of Jaws' teeth inside. So to begin drawing the mouth, we are going to draw a big curved line in the middle of that open space on Jaws. Great job! Now to connect the two sides of that curved line at the bottom, we are going to draw another curved line, but this one is going to be much smaller. Awesome job! Now that we are all done drawing the outline of Jaws' mouth, we can draw the teeth on the inside. To draw the teeth, we are going to draw a zigzag line going all the way around the top curved line, and then we are going to do the same thing along the bottom curved line. Nice job, learn how to draw hub crew. Now let's draw the bottom teeth. Great job, learn how to draw hub crew. The mouth looks awesome. Now we are going to draw 2 curved lines above the mouth for detail. Looks great, learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw some details around Jaws so that it looks like he is jumping up out of the water and making a splash. We are going to start by drawing some curvy lines on the right side. Then we are going to draw another curvy line below that one. Now we are going to draw 2 curvy lines on the other side of Jaws as well. Lastly, we are going to draw a few small curved lines on either side of Jaws, looking like some water droplets coming up from the water. Then we are going to draw a few more curved lines underneath the bottom of Jaws. This is how to draw Jaws. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. And if you want to see our drawing all colored in, then stick around until the very end. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.